Hey guys, it's Mary. It's been a few. I have been busy getting ready for this weekend. I am attending a virtual crop. It's the fourth one I've done with Crop and Create, whose crop is from Scrapbook and Cards magazine, and they put on a great event that started today. But before it gets really intense and crazy, I wanted to share with you that I got 2 new items in, and I have been waiting forever. I'm pretty sure it was like the beginning or the middle of August that I ordered these 2 sets on HSN from Diamond Press, and it's the Stamp and Die Day of the Dead kit and the Dragonfly kit. And when I ordered them, they were on back order, or extended delivery as they call it. But usually, you know, it doesn't take long, but it just drug on, and then I got an email saying that it was extended to, you know, the end of September, and I really worried that it was going to get canceled, but it finally came, and I'm so excited. So I wanted to just go over briefly and show you all the goodies. I'm so excited. And then after this event that I'm doing ends, I will definitely do a video with the Day of the Dead kit, because that is the one that I was super excited about getting. So let's take a look at, I had to open it up to look at it. I couldn't resist. So I'm just so excited. You know, I've been wanting one of these, and I saw a kind of a kit from another company, but I really didn't care for it much. And then when I saw this one, it just, you know, Diamond Press, you can't go wrong. So let's see if I can get all this out. It's really stuck in good. So we've got the dies, hat, the skull, the hair, the flowers, Ola, individual flowers. So here, here is the stamp. So the stamp will go with this die. Hopefully you can see both. This one with this one. So you've got all the dies to go with stamps. There's the skull. And then Day of the Dead. And then the hat, the hair, the collar, all different accessories. Happy Halloween. And I wish I could say this better, but it's Dia de Muertos. Dia de Muertos. So I'm just so excited. So let's take a look at the instructions. So it shows the die and the stamp. Die and the stamp. There's her hair and the flowers. And then we've got all the different embellishments for we got the different eyes and the flowers and the mustache, the teeth, eyebrows, different eyebrows, hearts, all the different symbols. Oh, that's actually for the head. And then rose leaves, little flowers, medium, medium, and large flowers that you can layer. Leaves, more flowers, and then Happy Halloween, Day of the Dead. And then these two stamps. Look at, just look. Oh, they're beautiful. I'm just so excited. So this stamp will make this background here. So that's cool. And this one here. I'm so excited. All right, so that is Day of the Dead. And of course it comes with a folder. All right, so let's see if we can get the book. Let's go back in here. Sometimes we'll do it later. All right, so the Dragonfly, I'm excited about this one too. Not as excited as the other one, but excited nonetheless. I'm very attracted to dragonflies ever since I saw that movie that I can't even remember the name of it now, but it was very symbolic to somebody passing away. Every time I see Dragonfly now, I think about that. All right, so I haven't gotten to see the video, but I saw there was a video with a bunch of new products coming from Diamond Press on HSN in October. I can't believe tomorrow's October already. Oh, jeez. All right. Oh. All right, look at that. Look at the size of that. That is gorgeous. All right, let's see. Maybe. Here we go. Stamps already. All right, folder. Boy, this one's really stuck. All right, let's see. All right. All right, well, I'm not quite sure what all of these are, so let's take a look at this. All right, so we've got it's simply called Dragonfly. Oh my goodness, beautiful. All right, so we've got the Dragonfly. Wings, body, okay, Dragonfly, the wings and the body. Oh, look at these flowers, they are gorgeous. So we've got the stamp, or the die of the stamp, the die of the stamp. Look at this one. Oh. And then we've got kind of the skeleton type of dragonfly. Dreams is a die plus live yours, so it's live your dreams. When a dragonfly appears, it's a visitor from heaven. See, let your dreams take flight. May your spirit soar. Just be you, always thinking of you. I love this little spots and the little crosshatch. It's kind of vintage looking. And then two samples. Look at how beautiful that is. That would be great with vellum. Oh, so pretty. So let's take a look at the stamps. So this is a stamp to go with the die. This one says, always thinking of you. Oh, I like that. Live your. There's the body. There's another one. There's the big flower. And then there's the, look at how nice and big that is. That saying is almost, it's 3 1/4 from this to this here by 1 3/4. It's really nice size, and this one is huge too. It's 3. If you go from there to here, 2 1/2. So nice. Let your dreams take flight. May your spirit soar. Just be you. There's the flowers, the little blotchy, and then the little it's like a little they call it a crosshatch, but I don't know what you'd actually call it. It's not like a screen. Well, it's kind of like a screen, but it's definitely, you know, vintage, like aged. So anyway, I love it. Once again, they've hit it out of the ballpark. So that's it. Dragonfly, Day of the Dead. I'm in heaven. So let me know in the comments if you ordered them and if you got them, or if you're still on extended delivery. It seemed to me that I ordered it like before it even, you know, went online. It was there. And it seemed to me that when they brought it back and had lowered the price, that those people got theirs before we got ours. I don't know. I could be wrong, but knowing HSN, I'm not. So, but let me know if you got it, and let me know if you love it. So excited. Like I said, I will be making a card with this one for sure, because I'm just so anxious to play with it and see what I can come up with. Yeah, so all right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I always appreciate any time that you spend on the channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about subscribing, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, it will notify you when there's a new video. If there's videos or techniques that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll put it on my list of to-dos. Yeah, So I guess that's it. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.